everybody? It's your girl Tyra and I'm coming back at you with another video. Today is National Jerky Day.
Come on. Hey, come on. That's right. Hey. Tyra the creative. That's right.
I'm so excited about today's video because I am teaming up with National Days and Unisoy, and we are going to bring you guys a jerky filled video. So National Jerky Day is observed on today, June 12th, and it celebrates the history, popularity, and nutritional benefits of these snacks. Due to its lightweight and high level of nutrition, since 1996, astronauts have named jerky a space food. This day was created by Jack Link's Beef Jerky in 2012. So in honor of the day, snack on your favorite beef jerky or vegan jerky in our case, or try to make your own. So I was just thinking, so my boyfriend and I go to the movies every week. And I was thinking, why don't we try to have our movie night at home, and instead of having the lame butter popcorn, kettle corn popcorn, or whatever, let's make a spicy caramel popcorn with some vegan jerky. So today we're gonna do a very quick and easy recipe. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So right here I have some white corn. You can use white corn or yellow corn for your popcorn. I personally use white because it is whole grain. So we have a pot right here on the stove that's already heating up, getting ready for us to pop our popcorn. And we're gonna add some oil to the pan. I'm using olive oil today, you guys. And we just wanna add about 2 tablespoons of oil to the bottom so our popcorn does not stick. Now I have a gas stove, so my stove has heated up very, very fast, so it's ready for me now. I'm just gonna dump in my corn kernels as well as a little bit of salt. And now before that starts to pop, I'm going to place on the lid and shake. Now, if you have an electric stove or you don't have the right equipment to make popcorn on your stove, you could also use a deep fryer, or you could even pop it in the oven. If you have an electric stove, I wouldn't recommend popping popcorn on it because it will scratch your cooktop. But if you don't care about that, hey, whatever. So my popcorn is already starting to pop, and I'm just gonna keep shaking and keep moving the popcorn kernels around so they can pop. Okay, you guys, so all in all, that took about 4 minutes for my popcorn to pop completely. Now that it is done, I'm going to remove it from that burner and allow it to start to cool. I'm going to get started on my spicy caramel. So into a small sauce pot, I'm going to put a half a cup of water, 3 cups of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. Now I'm going to put this on the stove and let it caramelize until it's the color that I want my caramel to be. While we're waiting on our caramel to start, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about Unisoy. So Unisoy has a line of vegan jerky, which is this right here, and it's made with textured vegetable protein. There's so many vegan jerkies out there these days. Some are made with mushrooms, you can make it with carrot, you can really, the possibilities are endless. But Unisoy in particular has 3 different flavors. They have the cracked black pepper, which is the one that we're going to be using for our spicy caramel. They have spicy, or mild spicy, but this one is really, really hot. So if you don't like hot stuff, I don't suggest you get this flavor. And then we have a teriyaki. And all of these are $6.99 a pack, and they're very filling. So when you open up the pack, it comes in huge slices. So you really only need 1 slice as a snack. So it comes like this. And it tears just like regular beef jerky does. And I really appreciate that because most of the mushroom jerkies tear, they're really soft. They don't tear like you're tearing into a piece of meat. So I really appreciate the texture of the uni soy. Also, make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be giving you some information on a giveaway that we are doing, and it's going to be full of vegan treats, you guys. It's going to be really, really amazing, so stay tuned. Since I'm waiting on my caramel, see? It tastes just like beef jerky. Now, of course, it doesn't taste exactly like beef jerky does, but it is a great substitute. The cracked black pepper is kind of sweet, and it has just the right amount of spice to it. It's going to be perfect in our caramel. You also want to make sure that you have some baking soda and some cayenne pepper ready for when your caramel comes off the stove. We're going to have to move really quick so the caramel does not get hard. So as soon as the caramel is the color brown that you would like, you're going to take it off the stove and add in the baking soda and the cayenne pepper and immediately pour it over your popcorn. And then add the jerky. So I already pre-cut my jerky into little bite-sized pieces. If you want it shredded or I don't know, however you want it, you can cut it up that way. But this is the size that I would like to have in my popcorn. The darker you allow your caramel to get, the more bitter in taste it will be. So if you like your caramel to taste like the caramel that you get out of the grocery store, then I would suggest leaving it a little lighter in color and just adding brown food coloring if you want it to have that deep color. But the darker it gets, the more bitter it'll taste. My caramel is nice and dark, you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to take it off of the fire really quickly, and I'm going to add in baking soda and cayenne pepper. Now, when you add the baking soda, it'll start to bubble up really fast, and don't get alarmed. That's what it's supposed to do. This gives it that nice snap when you put it on top of your popcorn, instead of it staying all sticky and getting stuck in your teeth and that kind of thing. So I'm going to add in my cayenne pepper first. And as I'm stirring that around, I'm going to add in the baking soda. Alright, so just keep mixing it until it's all thoroughly mixed together. And you can even add in your jerky now, or you can add it in after you put it on top of your popcorn. So I want my jerky to be coated in my caramel, so I'm going to add it in now, and then immediately put it all on top of my popcorn. Now you do want to work fast because you don't want this popcorn and caramel to stick to your nice pot. So make sure you have a greased sheet somewhere in the vicinity to pour this onto after it's thoroughly mixed. It just smells so good, you guys. You can smell the black pepper in the jerky. The caramel smells really nice, and the cayenne is definitely going to add a kick. I'm so excited to try this. So while you guys are watching me stir this, make sure you check out unisoyfoods.com to see all of the amazing stuff that they have. They're based in Los Angeles, and they're just an amazing company, you guys. So make sure you check them out. Okay, my popcorn is all mixed, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to take it and put it onto a greased cookie sheet. Alright, you guys, now you just let it cool completely, break up the ones that are sticking too much together, and enjoy. And we are back, guys. I cannot wait to try this popcorn. Oh my gosh. Oh, there go the dance already. This is good. Oh my gosh, the cayenne doesn't make it spicy, but it adds heat to it, so you feel it in your entire mouth. And the black pepper jerky is sweet and it's savory, and it just, oh, it melts so well. So thank you guys so much for watching. In the description below is the complete recipe for this popcorn, as well as the link to the giveaway, you guys. In order to enter this giveaway, you just click that link and rack up the points on gleam.com. Everything is laid out there for you. You're going to win a basket full of vegan treats, so it's going to be super amazing. Make sure, if you're not subscribed to the channel, that you hit that subscribe button. And make sure your notifications are on so you can get all of the alerts anytime your girl posts any new content. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and happy National Jerky Day. I'll see y'all next time. Also, you guys, if you like learning about the national days and you thought it was cool that I brought it up on my channel, make sure you follow them on all social media at ntl_days. By the way, I'm the host of that show, so you'll still be seeing me.